Hey everybody, this is Pete
and Matt
from Owner Builders Unite, and today we're going to be talking about the 34th annual Crestone Energy Fair. The Energy Fair is great. It's going to be on September 16th and 17th this year, so it's about a month away. We're going to be doing talks on it. There's going to be a lot of other stuff going on and workshops and whatnot, but we just wanted to give you guys a heads up on a little bit about it.
Yeah, this is my favorite Crestone event. We've been going for years. Pete and I have been helping out. My partner Goldie, super stoked. You can learn a lot over there. I've learned a ton. Very good introduction to Crestone for me personally. We're trying to get you guys out the 16th and the 17th. There's going to be people vending, bands playing.
Performances,
it's a full weekend event.
And tons of workshops on natural building, alternative building, tons of different gardening panels, alternative power and generation panel, like tons of speakers. And again, it's 9 to 9 and it's free. So donations are welcome, obviously, but in the same sense, there's going to be tons of people from the state of Colorado and other states coming out here and giving great information. If you like our channel and watch our videos and are anywhere close to Crestone in the St. Louis Valley, please come out. It would be a great time.
It's a great place to meet locals, learn about the local gardening scene. There's a lot of different niches, natural healing, yoga, stuff like that, spiritual stuff. And so my partner Goldie is in charge of the Crestone home tours, and that's where, and I drive the bus for it normally every year. Things could change. And we go around, and on Saturday, it is homes under construction. So you can see, straw bales under construction, earth bag. I'm not exactly sure what's on the tour this year. It's going to be great. It's great every year. A lot of people learn a lot of stuff. You can meet some builders in the area, and that's on Saturday from 8 a.m. to noon. And then on Sunday, we do completed homes, and that's people who have owner builders who had built their own homes and they're complete, and they're just showing you what's possible around the area, and you can ask them a ton of questions. That's also from 8 to noon on Sunday, and there's an early bird special. So if you order your tickets now, it's $25 per day, and if you do it later, day of, it's $35. So if you're going to plan on doing it, make sure you get in. I recommend it to anyone. Great place to meet people and just see what people are doing out here.
Yeah, for $25 for the home tours per tour or whatever for the early bird. I mean, what a better deal for being able to see hands-on and ask questions and do stuff. It's like, what a value.
And for this free event in the Crestone Energy Fair, this is one of the only, I think it might only be the only income that this event gets. So it's really supporting our local community, supporting our local event. Me and Pete, we love the Energy Fair. We back those guys. They have a YouTube channel. You should follow them, Crestone Energy Fair. They have an Instagram.
And we'll link all their websites and, channels and social media platforms here in the descriptions too. But yeah, like Matt said, tons of different performances, panels and speakers on both days, workshops, demonstrations, a lot of other YouTube people too. Our friend Eric Finkus, who's the off-grid guru, he'll be doing natural builders panel, which is cool. He did one last year. He actually has a lot right next to mine and is going to be a Crestone guy as well eventually here. He's building a house with his dad. On top of that, I know Diamond from the Oppenheimer Ranch, who's been here at numerous energy fairs, is doing different talks and panels. I know in the past he's been a keynote speaker.
And on Sunday, like Pete said, he and I are going on, and we're doing a speech up here right after Laura Enzer, Mountain Laura Apothecary, I'm sorry. And it's called Ask an Owner Builder with Owner Builders Unite, Pete and Matt. And pretty much we love talking about building. We love answering questions. We like learning with you. You got good questions. We want to know the answers. So come on out, ask us questions on stage. Even after, a lot of people come up and we just chat about, cool stuff. I think Sean King is doing a demonstration that day. It seems like Goldie's doing a demonstration. We'll post this entire flyer up, but trying to get you guys to come out and support our local event. It's a beautiful event. I think the weather's going to be good.
Yeah, and like I said, Matt's saying about the demonstrations and the workshop, everything from aircrete to tire pounding to cob. They're going to be doing tons of stuff, building with stone, hempcrete, straw bale, the list goes on. So please, if you're anywhere close to the San Luis Valley and Crestone, come out. It's a great great thing to support and support freedom of building off the grid and building alternatively, because again, this isn't going to be here forever. If we can support events like this and that support alternative building, natural building, gardening, homesteading, building off grid, solar panels, it's like, again, what a cool event for being free. And it's a 2-day thing. A lot of great people, a lot of ways to collaborate with people and network with people. So please come out.
The mosquitoes are gone too, so that's an extra bonus. It's going to be great, nice and cool. September 16th and 17th.
Yep.
Hopefully see you guys there.
And there's plenty of Airbnbs in Crestone, but they will book up. So if you're at all interested in doing this, please book your Airbnb, or there's camping spots that you can go to, national forest trailheads and stuff like that. So feel free to camp.
Even contact us through YouTube, and if our houses are on the home tour, maybe we can give you a little tour of our houses if you want to see it up close and personal. That'll get you guys to come on out.
Yeah, great.
Owner Builders Unite. See you at the Energy Fair. Thanks, folks.